Hello there, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a line which touches both the circles. Here in this example, I have two circles and I want to make a line which touches both the circle, which we call tangent to both the circles. So um, uh, most of the time, if we don't know the trick, what we do is we're going to click on the circle and then we try to draw a tangent this way, but we get here the tangent, but this side it is not the tangent, and we try to make the tangent here. Then also we have no idea where to place this, and if we place this, the angle of the line changed so that this is no longer a tangent here. So for this, what you have to do is take the line command, press L, then you have to press the shift key, then right click on the mouse, and you have to take the tangent from the drop down menu. Then we have to select anywhere on the fourth circle. Then you can see the line is a tangent here. Wherever you move your mouse, the line follows. And coming to the next circle, you can place it directly, but if you want the tangent here, you have to repeat the step again. Press shift key, then right click, then take the tangent, and then you press anywhere on the circle, on the second circle. Alright, press escape, you got the tangent line. Now if you want a tangent on the bottom, you want to take the line command, press shift key, right click, take tangent, and press on the fourth circle, and press shift key again, and right click, tangent, and press on the second key. That's it. This is how you can make tangent to circles in Autocad. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is for simply documentation purpose. For my own use, if it is useful for you, then consider give it like, and consider subscribe to my channel for this kind of videos. Okay, that's it.